Happy Easter, bakers! Have you ever seen a cake and thought, there's no way I could make that at home? Well, this is the Eggs-quisite bake. It may look like it came straight from your local bakery, but believe it or not, you, yes, you, can make this at home. We're going to show you how in 4 easy steps. Now, let's get cracking. You'll want to start with 4 sponges, which we baked earlier. They've been in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes and now need to cool. Warm cake and icing are not friends. While those cool, let's make our Swiss meringue buttercream. Start by adding your egg whites and sugar to a saucepan over a medium heat. Stir continuously for about 4 minutes or until the sugar has completely dissolved. It should feel smooth between your fingers. Once smooth, transfer to a mixer and whisk for around 6 minutes until you reach stiff peaks, thick, glossy, and holding their shape. Turn the speed down and add your butter, a few pieces at a time, letting each addition incorporate. It might look like it's curdling, but don't panic. I repeat, don't panic. Keep mixing, it'll come together. Once all the butter's in, increase to high speed and mix for about 5 minutes until smooth, silky, and glossy. Add your colorings and flavorings, lemon, almond, vanilla, whatever you like. Mix until combined, and your Swiss meringue buttercream is ready to go. Now we have our cake and icing sorted, let's get decorating! We're going to make the fondant decorations. These tiny chicks and speckled Easter eggs will sit in the nest on top of the cake. To make the chicks, start with a small ball of yellow fondant. Roll it gently between your hands to smooth it out, then pinch one end to create the tail. Roll 2 more smaller balls with the yellow fondant and pinch at the end to create the wings. Then we've added some pink and orange fondant to the belly and beak. You can add tiny dots of fondant or use edible pens for the eyes. This part is quite detailed, but just have fun with it. Every chick has its own personality, right? Let's give those little chicks a home. It's time to create the chocolate nest. To do this, melt your chocolate until it's smooth and then mix in the shredded wheat. You'll want to make sure the shredded wheat is broken into small pieces. Gently fold everything until it's evenly coated. This is what gives you that realistic nest-like texture. To create the nest shape, spoon the mixture onto a clean piece of parchment using the back of the spoon to press down slightly and create a dip in the center. This creates a neat nest that'll sit perfectly on top of the cake. Once you're happy with the shape, pop it in the fridge and let it set until it's completely firm. Well done, bakers! Hopefully, you've made all of the parts of the Eggs-quisite cake. So now, it's time for the best bit, bringing it all together. First, let's stack those sponges. A quick tip here, if your sponges are slightly domed, just trim the tops so everything stacks nice and level. It'll save you a lot of stress later. Okay, great! Now let's add a thin layer of that delicious Swiss meringue buttercream between each sponge, spreading it right to the edges so every slice gets a bit of filling. Once they're stacked, give the whole cake a crumb coat. This is just a light first layer of icing that traps in any loose crumbs. We'd suggest using a palette knife here to create that smooth finish. Once you're happy with the shape, pop it in the fridge and let it set until it's completely firm. This little step is the secret to a cake that looks like it's been professionally baked. For the final layer of buttercream, we've decided to go with a blue speckled effect by adding crushed Oreos. You can personalize yours however you wish. Carefully place your chocolate nest on top of the cake, then gently nestle in your fondant chicks and eggs. This is your moment to add that extra bit of baking joy. There's no right or wrong here, just get creative. We're finishing ours with a few extra eggs around the base for that final touch of Easter magic. And just like that, your Eggs-quisite bake is complete. We cannot wait to see your creations. So drop a comment below and let us see how yours turned out. And of course, Don't forget to subscribe for tips, tricks, recipes, and a little bit of baking joy. Have an excellent Easter.